welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be in my kitchen as always. Yes, hii 2026 tumesema tu tunawapeleka mtaratara na good recipes. Yes, now today I decided to do something that I've never done on the channel. Can you guess? Okay, now I want today to show you guys how to make simple tamarind what? Juice. This is what we called tamarind in English, but kwa Kiswahili inaitwa ukwaju. Now there are different things that you can get from this. Now there is tamarind sauce and there is tamarind juice. Lakini leo nawaonesha tu jinsi ya make juice, and then next time I'll show you how you can make tamarind sauce, of which you can use them to take your you can use them when eating viazi karai ama pilau, some ama nyama choma, right? Guys, remember to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Now guys, straight to the ingredients. This is ukwaju, ginger, sugar, carrots. Yes, and then there are some people who like using maybe vitu kama cinnamon, which inaitwa iliki, to give it taste. But mimi leo nitakuonesha tu jinsi ya kutumia ginger na nitumie na sukari yenyewe. So guys, let me go straight to the process of making the juice. I'll light on my jiko. I'll put the tamarind. Put water. So hii inaweza tutolea juice mingi sana. So I'll put 2. Nimeka 2.5, right? So iko hivyo. Nitachukua mwiko wangu nikoroge kidogo, kuiachanisha kidogo because it's sticky. As you can see, it is continuing to boil. Ikiendelea tu kuiva hivyo, I'll add in sugar. By the way, sugar sitawaambia ati uweke kiasi fulani, no, because some people like it when it's too sugary, other people don't like it. So it is the way wewe kwa nyumba utaona unapenda. So mimi nimeweka hiyo sukari. I'll add ginger so that it can boil with it. So guys, we're going to give it time to boil. Give it like 30 to 45 minutes to boil. So tuachane nayo as is inaendelea kuboil. I told you guys I'm going to do tamarind with what? With carrots. So we are going to get the juice for the carrot. So I'll do it here. My carrots are already clean. I had already peeled them off. So I'll use my juicer to get carrots. If you don't have what can I say? If you don't have a juicer, maybe you have a blender, you can blend and then sieve it. Sour. Yes. So see, this is the juice that I've gotten from the carrots, the way it's looking. Yes, so I think I'm done. Guys, as you can see, unaona venye ilikuwa sticky, now imeanza kujiseparate. Unaona? So tunataka kuipatia itoke kabisa. Unaona inaanza kutoka kwa hizo? Unaona venye inakuwa? Yes, and the way it was sticky kumeshikana kwa pamoja. So tupatie tu time iboil vizuri, iboil kabisa na iko na sukari ndani, and then tuendelee. So thank you very much for the support you have been giving us. Please continue watching our channel so that we can get watch time. Comment, share so that utupatie psych ya keep on pressing on. Guys, thank you so much. Now guys, the tamarind was boiling. And then I gave it like 15 minutes to just cool. Na sasa hivi ndio imepoa, hivi ndio inakaa, you see? Now we will do the sieving, okay? So straight, waste a lot of time. Tunaenda kusieve tu pole pole. So tunasip tu pole pole. You can really make a lot of juice using this. Bado is still thick, so before sieving usisahau, you let it cool. Ina cool ndo una sieve. Kuku ni ipoe. This is how it's looking. Now nimetoka kabisa. Yes, now we are done. Now here's our juice. I'll take another spoon. This is how our juice is looking. Now I had already used a juice extractor to make this juice. So this is our carrot we are going to add and then mix it. Now our juice is ready. I'm going to use this jug to put the juice. Here, guys, as you can see, making tamarind juice is very simple and the ingredients are very available, and it's a very simple and cheap juice to make. And as you know, tamarind has a lot of health benefits. I'm giving you a homework. Go and check the benefits of tamarind juice. And then, because of storage, I want to store in the fridge, because when you drink it when it's cold, it's very nice. So we are going to store this ikwe baridi, na tena tuwezi maliza yote for today. Watoto watatumia ingine baadaye. Yes, so our juice is ready. And I have to do the sample to see what I've made. As usual, mimi ndo nafanyanga testing, so let me test and see how I've made the juice. Nice. Perfect. You can feel the ginger, the sugar that was added in, the tamarind itself. Very nice juice, guys. Please try this at home, and on the comment section tell me venye ulitengeneza and how it is. Surprise the children at home. Guys, remember to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Tamarind juice it is.